snow pool, yay! Here I come. Woo! This snow pool is so fun. You're right. Hello. Hi, Chelsey. Do you want to come to the whirlpool with us? Sure, let's go. We have to put our shoes here first. Wow, this is great. Make way for me. Bullfight, bullfight. I'm gonna bury you, Chelsey. Hey, I can't see anything. Oh no, I lost you, Elsa. It's not funny. Now I'm gonna bury you. Ah! Now I can't see you, and it's so funny. Watch out, I'm coming. Let's bury Chelsey now. I'll go through this tunnel now. Me too, me too. I got to the other side, and now I'm going to go through this hole. It's a little bit tricky. I did it! Coming too, yay! Hey, wait for me! There! I found the trampolines. Yay! Come jump with me! This is so cool! I love jumping. And now I want to climb this frame. Me too, I'm good at climbing. And I got to the top. Yay! Yay, climbing. Wee, wee. Again. Wee, wee. Me too. Woo! Wow, yay! And now I want to try the swing. Okay, I'll push you. Now it's my turn. I'll push you. Hold tight. Oh, no. Oh, no. Anna, are you okay? I'm sorry, Anna. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Push me too hard. Oh, sorry, but I said hold tight. Why don't we go to a safe area? Come on. All right, but first I want to climb up the slide. Be careful. I am being careful. Watch out. Ah! Ow! Oh no, don't worry. Mommy's here to help you, my sweetie. Oh, calm down. It really hurts, Mommy. Okay, Mommy will take care of you. You'll be fine, don't worry. Mwah. Can I help you? Oh yes, please, Barbie. Elsa got hurt. Don't worry, I know what to do. This is my first aid kit. Perfect for emergencies. First I'll clean it like this. Now I'll put some cream. This one. This will help. And now you just need a plaster. This one is too little. This one is better. There. You'll be better in no time. Now, are you hungry? Yes, can I have a snack? Yes, of course. Barbie, I also hurt myself. myself when Elsa pushed me too hard, and now my foot hurts a lot. Oh, I see. Maybe this will do. There. Yay, now I'm wearing a cool kind of plaster cast. Now it doesn't hurt anymore. Oh, and I'm also hungry. Great, I'm happy you're feeling better. I'll get you all a snack. Here you go. Thank you, Barbie. So tasty. Can we play a little bit more? Yes, but play gently so you don't get hurt again. Okay, we can go to a safe area. This is safe enough. Oh, but it says it's for babies. So what? We were told to play gently. This is gentle, isn't it? You're right. Hey, babies, this is mean. Go away. Shoo, shoo, babies. Go somewhere else to play. Why are you talking to them like that? They are only little. They were annoying. This baby area is not bad. They have nice things. They even have a house. Girls, time to go now. Okay, Mom. Don't forget your shoes. Hey, what happened to our shoes? Oh no, the babies have been playing with our shoes. And this one had my shoe in its mouth. Yuck! Now my shoe is wet. So disgusting. You're so mean. Please don't be rude to the poor baby. He's too little to understand. They put everything in their mouth. My shoe is wet. I don't like it. Come on, let's go home. I will take my shoe off. It's so yucky. I can walk barefoot. I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, look at your foot. It's all black. Oops, it's because I've been walking barefoot. Okay, go wash it now. You can't go to bed like this. Mom, can I have a bath? Okay, I'll get it ready. The bath is ready, Elsa. Great. I want to play with my toys. This is so relaxing. It's been a busy day. Can I add some bath salts? Yes, of course. Great! Blue is my favorite color. This is like a spa. I like playing when I have a bath. Do you? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!